During the weekends, I like to stroll the beaches looking for broken pieces of glass, bottle caps, and other marine debris to use for my art projects. While working on my art project, I was wondering how serious marine debris problem is in Hawaii.
There's about a mile or two stretch of beach that literally is covered in trash, from plastics to net balls, and that's all because of the way the currents and the gyres work to push everything around and up on that earth. There will be a point when possibly some of that trash or whatever is left over from the tsunami may come ashore here in Hawaii.
According to models conducted by the International Pacific Research Center at the University of Hawaii, debris may reach the northwestern Hawaiian Islands by winter 2011 and the rest of the archipelago in 2 years.
Here on the big island of Hawaii, we're very unique in that we've got some really drastic currents and gyres where they'll spin around coming in and out off of the coastline, and then they eventually will dissipate. But they do form areas out there where, again, can bring stuff together depending on the way that's turning. Can also create upwellings and downwellings. So they're very interesting. It's something that we're really taking a look at because these gyres may play a very critical role as far as fisheries go. We're looking at a lot of different things and how gyres may be influencing populations of a lot of our different aquatic animals around the Big Island.
Animals, such as the monk seal, get entangled in debris, primarily derelict fishing gear such as nets. These can trap marine animals beneath the surface, causing severe damage and sometimes even death. But, surprisingly, the trash has helped some local fishermen.
It will be beneficial to some of the trawlers that are looking for mahi-mahi because they're looking for floating objects in water. And any kind of floating object that can harbor a mahi-mahi is beneficial to the fishermen.
If you find it floating in the water after a year or so, it'll be your luck to find it because it's usually full of fish underneath it. It's a food chain. It's like a buoy.
And the trash that is collected is now being used to help power local homes.
What's really cool is they actually use the marine debris that's collected for H-power. So it's kind of a nice thing that we're actually taking this trash that would normally just be filling up the land dumps, and they're actually producing energy or electricity over on Oahu with that, the nets and stuff that they're burning that they pick up off the beaches. So it is being used for an alternative source of fuel at this point too, which is kind of nice.
Whether it is on a large scale, like marine debris, or on a small scale, like my art project, we are finding ways to create something positive out of something negative. From Kamehameha Schools Hawaii campus, this is Hannah Trainer reporting for HIKI.